So we're doing a little bonus clip for you. This is nothing like we ate in the last video. This is 10 times spicier than what we had.
Wait, is this actually a banana pepper? Oh, banana peppers are disgusting.
So we're gonna split it because I wanna do this at the same time.
All right.
So we have our milk.
All right.
Soy milk, not actual milk, because that's grody.
2, 1. No, I'm not spitting it out. I'm doing this thing. I'm drooling everywhere.
It burns. Ew. It's making it worse.
I'm gonna cry.
It's still there. Mommy, get it out. No, it gets worse when you spit it. Spit it out. It's still burning. It hurts after. It's making.
There's tears, me.
It's burns. It's not.
You see?
It's not okay. Yeah. I cannot believe you put that in your mouth for that one. My lips are on fire. I feel like I should just go stand in a flame.
Go jump in the pool.
Clean it up.
Hey guys, we're going. I just farted. Hey guys, we're going to Walgreens right now with our handy cuffs.
We have
They're
bruises.
very not handy.
We have-
oh my gosh, our wrists are literally so bruised right now. You gotta do what you gotta do.
Oh my gosh, she spilled the tea.
The rough start's getting in the car.
Yeah, success. I don't like that noise.
Success.
Yeah. Yeah, buddy.
So we're all bruised up, and it's very, 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 very 100,000 times
painful.
Come on, done.
Help.
I have a cramma. Ow, 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 ow. Oh. Shut it, okay.
Do you forget you're attached?
Yeah,
I forgot
I
earlier.
forgot once.
Walmart, or no. We're still attached, don't you worry, with bruises. What is that? What does that mean? The awesome game of meme?
Should get that.
Dude, I want that.
We should get that.
Okay, let's see. How do we play it?
Getting a meme game.
We're getting gas.
Thanks guys for coming.
Just want to say that you're great for
Actually watching this.
yeah, we're stupid.
If you're to this point, you should
You're
like
amazing and subscribe
subscribe for like
for more videos.
remove nozzle. Nozzle.
Remove it because I want to see.
Nozzle is such a
Don't press it. Don't press it. Let go. Not going. Why is it not
smells
going?
like butt.
Begin feel. We are beginning. It's spewing out gas. We're getting gas. And we are still, this has been the longest day of my actual life.
We've done similar.
We're getting gas. I've said that 4 times.
We already have gas.
Yeah, lots of it.
We're loaded. This is awkward.
We're okay.
Hey,
so we are
going
still...
to bed and still cuffed.
Oh my god. No. That was disgusting. Yeah. That was literally so gross. I literally felt the inside. It was still wet on my fingernail. I poked her in the eye. So we're going to sleep. We're still handcuffed after 20 hours. Wait, how long has it been?
15?
11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 13.
13? Okay.
20.
Why did I think 22?
We have church in the morning. So
At 8:30, service served to get up at like
7.
7, yeah.
So we have this setup.
I look like a witch. I look like a witch.
And I look like a potato, so
I stirred you up in my stew.
I was just about to say that. I'm no lie. Wait, let's blow them a kiss. Ew. So it's morning now, and it's 7 o'clock in the morning, and it's really bright.
There's really nothing to say.
Yeah.
We're our slaves to fear.
And our necks are killing us because we gave you content, and now we're paid. In case you were wondering, this is what we look like in the morning. No one was wondering that, but okay, bye, I love you. Okay, so it is the next day now, and we completed the 24 hours and
As you can
come
see,
together.
Oh my gosh, that hurt.
It's bruised. We slept pretty good with them.
It was a little bit crazy. It was it was very uncomfortable.
Yeah, it was, yeah, now we're going to church.
And we're gonna be teaching and preaching the word to first graders.
Yeah, so we're,
Yay!
That's not the button. Where's the button?